Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top stocks under $50, really the top three. Now, in my opinion, all of these stocks definitely carry so much long and short-term potential. Most of these, were up way higher, and then over the past couple of weeks, we've seen a lot of sell-off, which brings opportunity to get in on an undervalued point for this stock. Now, starting off with stock number one is NIO. NIO is the electric car manufacturer based out of China. This company's been growing at a extreme rapid rate. You guys can see lows here at 15, highs here at 66. So you more than pretty much doubled, really times three your money. But right now it's at around $54, so you would have just doubled your money. Now the craziest part about this is you could have bought this stock, a couple of years ago, all the way down here at $1.19-20, and sold it for almost $70, which is absolutely crazy. So really, we're on a long-term upward trend, but an overall short-term downward trend. So what does that mean? Well, this means that this stock has some resistance here at 66, hard support here at 34. Now, you guys can see every time we've seen sell-off really past this 33 mark, we've had a lot of buying pressure enter. So buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Now, given that sell-off, it's hitting, that $34 mark. I think we'll probably see some sort of buying pressure step in from $34 to at least $38. But the beautiful part about NIO is the electric car manufacturer. It's an electric car manufacturer. So I think, in my opinion, I think that we're just getting started on electric vehicles. I think the growth for them is super, super large. And NIO is literally the Tesla of China. And look at Tesla, guys. Almost $577 a share. Who can afford that? Well, this is like investing in the Chinese version of Tesla, right? So you guys can see it's a beautiful way, to get in on an undervalued point for this stock here and really capitalize on some share size. So stock number two is just another company that I've talked about over the past couple of weeks. It's Palantir. Palantir Tech is a software and data company that's been growing at a very, very fast rate. It started up in around 2001, and they had their direct listing, so really the public could invest in the company. A couple months ago now, and it had lows here at around $9, highs here at 45. We've seen sell off down to 21. So this is just another no-brainer investment for me, because I think Palantir is one of the stocks that we're gonna look back, in the next 5 years and wish we would have bought it at 21. The leader of ARK, Cathie Wood, actually just picked up around $39 million worth of Palantir for her ETFs, and she is a known tech investor, and so it's really cool to see her hop in. So it's a perfect opportunity. You guys can see we had some sell-off, found some support here near 16, and now we're just slowly moving up. Hopefully we get a breakout of 24, because that is the hardest resistance we'll see, and then breakout of 27, breakout of 31, and hopefully we're hitting highs here by the end of this year. That's my goal for this one. But now, all those past two stocks, guys, NIO and Palantir are fantastic growth stocks. And you have to understand that, those definitely carry a little more risk than traditional ETFs or blue chip stocks. So a company that I think is amazing is the one and only Kroger, KR. Now you guys can see over the past year or so, it's really had this beautiful bounce rate here near around $20, and we've seen very strong buying pressure just continue to come up with this. Not to mention, the stock is growing in value, right? You're going to get paid a dividend. So you guys can see all the way back in the day, they paid a 14-cent dividend, then a 16-cent, and now they pay an 18-cent dividend for a stock that's $37. So for me, this is just a fantastic company, one. They're investing heavily into organic and healthier lifestyle foods. They own a variety of things other than just Kroger. They own a lot of brands and stuff like that. So it's a lot more than just a brick and mortar grocery store. I think that this is just a very, very, strong value company that you can have in your portfolio that's going to grow. It's going to compound your account. And obviously, you're not going to have to check the day-to-day price that much. The volatility on this is super, super low. You guys can see in a matter of a year, it only went from $31 all the way up to $37, which is great growth for a stock under 50. But each day, the biggest day, it went from 31 to $33. So it's a super low volatile stock that definitely carries a lot of potential in the long term. And I'm a huge, bull on Kroger here. So guys, these are the top 3 stocks that I am buying, this week under $50. I think there's so much potential, so much opportunity, and I highly recommend them. But like always, do your own research before you invest. Don't invest just because I told you to. Make sure you guys are a believer in the company and go from there, guys. So we will see you later, guys. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone. Peace out.